Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the Mystery Maker collaboration. There'll be more details about what that is at the end of the video. Until then, sit back and I hope you enjoy. The first step in making this leather patch display is making the inner frame. I used my miter sled as it's the easiest and most accurate way to make frames. If you're interested in seeing how I made this, I will leave a link to the build video in the description below. Here you see an ouch mouse trying to find a place to sleep for the night. After a little bit of gentle pawing, it looks like he's found a place and he'll soon be fast asleep. I used my dado stack to cut a rabbit and some cherry wood, and then I used my miter sled again to make the outer frame. The best part about this miter sled is that the frame stock can lay over the edge of the fence. You can then set up the stop block at the exact dimensions you need for the frame, and you don't need to do any math or guesswork. I am adding splines because they add strength and they are a nice accent as well. I have chosen maple as it is a nice contrast to the cherry.
Feels very high quality. It's expertly wrapped.
Ah, thank you.
Surprised you didn't work at like a department store with this wrapping.
I enjoy making...
Wow, look at those splines. Those are awesome. That's so cool. That is awesome.
Huh?
It reminds me of like cabin art, like somebody having a wall of like a cabin or Airbnb or something. That's awesome, dude. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed that video where I made the really cool way of displaying the leather patch made by Morley. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. As I mentioned at the start of the video, this was part of the Mystery Maker Collab. It was set up by Colt at BCF Leather as part of the Makers on Zoom Having Coffee meeting that we have weekly that's hosted by Morley. And the way the Mystery Maker Collab worked is that everyone took a partly finished project or some scrap material and sent it over to someone else. And that person had to make something with that project and finish it and send it back. So I got Morley, he sent me this patch, I made the fun frame, and the rest is history. As you can see, Morley really loves it. It's right front and center on his workstation, and that makes me really happy. So until next time, cheers and have a great day.